Hello, my name is Lily. I live in a small village called Green Hill. It is a quiet and peaceful place. I love painting. It makes me happy, but sometimes it is hard. My paintings are not always perfect. Today, I will tell you a special story. It is about a magic paintbrush. This story will help you learn new English words about art and magic. Are you ready to start? Before we begin, here is a tip. You can repeat after me to practice your pronunciation. Try it now. Paintbrush. Good. Now, let's start our story. It was a rainy day in Green Hill. The sky was gray, and the rain tapped softly on the windows. Lily sat near the window in her small room. She held an old paintbrush in her hand. Her grandmother had given it to her yesterday. "This paintbrush is special," her grandmother had said. "Take good care of it." Lily loved her grandmother, but she did not understand what made the paintbrush special. It looked old and ordinary. The wood was scratched and the bristles were worn. Lily looked outside. "It's a perfect day to paint," she said to herself. She opened her notebook and picked bright colors. "I will paint a bluebird," she decided. Slowly, Lily started painting. She drew the wings, the feathers, and the small eyes. "It's not perfect," she said, looking at the bird. She put the paintbrush down and sighed. Suddenly, something amazing happened. The bluebird moved. Its wings flapped and it flew out of the notebook. Lily gasped. "What is this?" she said. The bird landed on her desk and chirped. "Grandma was right," Lily whispered. "This paintbrush is magic." Lily's heart raced with excitement. She looked at the paintbrush and then at the bluebird. "What else can I paint?" she wondered. Lily could not believe her eyes. The paintbrush was magic. She gently touched the bluebird on her desk. It felt soft and warm, just like a real bird. "I need to try this again," she said. She picked up the paintbrush and thought for a moment. "What should I paint now?" Lily remembered her neighbor, Mrs. Green. She was an old woman who loved flowers but couldn't go outside much anymore. "I know," Lily exclaimed. "I will paint flowers for her." She grabbed her notebook and started painting. She painted a red rose, a yellow sunflower, and a white daisy. The flowers looked beautiful. Then, just like the bluebird, the flowers came to life. They popped out of the notebook and landed on her table. Lily picked up the flowers and walked to Mrs. Green's house. She knocked on the door. "Hello, Lily," Mrs. Green said, smiling. "What brings you here?" "I painted these flowers for you," Lily said, handing her the bouquet. "Do you like them?" Mrs. Green looked at the flowers with wide eyes. "They are so beautiful. Thank you, Lily." Lily smiled. "You're welcome. I hope they make you happy." As Lily walked home, she thought about the paintbrush. "I can use it to help people," she said to herself. But she also wondered, why is this paintbrush magic? Where did it come from? That evening, Lily sat at her desk again. She looked at the paintbrush. Grandma said it is special. Maybe she knows more about it, Lily thought. She decided to visit her grandmother the next day. Let's take a moment to learn some important words and phrases from Lily's story so far. These will help you talk about art, kindness, and magic in English. Number 1. Can I? Lily said, "Can I paint something for you?" This is a polite way to ask if you can do something. You can use it in many situations. Can I help you? Can I sit here? Posos. Try saying it now. Can I? Good job. Number 2. Please. When you ask for something or answer politely, you say, please. For example, Lily said, "Can I paint something for you?" Mrs. Green answered, "Yes, please." Repeat after me. Yes, please. Excellent. Number 3. It's not perfect. Lily looked at her painting and said, "It's not perfect." This means it is not exactly how she wanted, but that's okay. You can use this phrase when you talk about things that need improvement. My drawing is not perfect. My English is not perfect. Now you try. It's not perfect. Great. Now, let's practice. Imagine you are Lily. You want to paint something for your neighbor. What will you say? Example, "Can I paint a flower for you?" Now, imagine your neighbor answers, "Yes, please." Good. Remember, practice makes perfect. Now it's time for you to practice. Let's use the words and phrases we learned in Lily's story. Number 1. Practice asking politely. Imagine you have a magic paintbrush like Lily. What would you paint? Try asking this question. Can I paint something for you? Now repeat after me. Can I paint something for you? Great. What if someone asks you for help? You can answer like this. Yes, please. Say it now. Yes, please. Well done. Number 2. Describe your painting. Let's say you painted a flower. How would you describe it? Use simple sentences like, "It's a red flower. The flower is beautiful." Now you try. Look around you or imagine something. Say, "It's a," and describe it. Number 3. Share your feelings. Lily said, "It's not perfect." You can use this phrase to talk about your own work, but don't worry. It's okay to make mistakes when learning. Say this with me. It's not perfect, but I like it. Mini challenge. Imagine you are Lily. You have the magic paintbrush. Answer these questions. What will you paint? Who will you help? Write your answers in the comments or say them out loud. For example, I will paint a cat for my friend. I will paint a tree for my neighbor. Remember to use "Can I?" "Yes, please." Keep practicing and you'll get better every day. Congratulations! Today you learned new English words and phrases with Lily's story about the magic paintbrush. Let's review what we practiced. Can I? To ask politely. Yes, please. To answer politely. It's not perfect. To talk about things that need improvement. You also use these phrases to describe and create your own ideas. That's amazing. Remember, learning English is like painting. It takes time, practice, and patience. Even if your English is not perfect now, it will get better every day. Just like Lily, you can use your skills to make something wonderful. Keep practicing and never give up. You are doing great. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more fun stories and lessons. The next video will take you on another magical adventure. Stay tuned. Now, tell us in the comments, what would you paint if you had a magic paintbrush? Thank you for watching and learning with us. See you next time.